Welcome to Mr. English Fast. Today's lesson is at the supermarket, shopping for groceries. You will learn simple English sentences you can use when buying food, fruits, and other items. Listen carefully, repeat aloud, and practice with a friend. Part 1. Greeting at the entrance.
Good morning. Welcome to City Supermarket.
Good morning. Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. Are you shopping for groceries today?
Yes, I have a list of things to buy and
That's good. Do you need a shopping cart or a basket?
I think I'll take a cart. I have many items to buy.
The carts are right over there, next to the entrance.
Thank you very much.
Ali enters the supermarket with a shopping list in his hand. He smiles and takes a shopping cart. Vocabulary: supermarket, a big shop where you buy food and other things. Cart, a small vehicle for carrying your groceries. Cashier, a person who takes your money at the counter. Groceries, food and household items you buy regularly. Part 2. Asking for items.
Excuse me, where can I find the fruits?
The fruits are in aisle 3, next to the vegetables.
Thank you. And where are the eggs?
You can find eggs in aisle 5, near the milk section.
Great, thank you so much.
Ali walks to aisle 3. He looks at apples, bananas, and oranges. He wants to choose the best ones. Vocabulary: aisle, a passage between shelves in a shop. Fruits: apples, bananas, oranges, etc. Vegetables: food like carrots, onions, tomatoes. Section: part of a store. Part 3. Choosing fruits.
These apples look fresh. How much are they?
They are $2 per kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo of apples and half a kilo of bananas, please.
Sure, anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you.
Ali puts the fruits in his basket. He checks his list again. He still needs milk, bread, and rice. Vocabulary: fresh, new and good to eat. Kilo, short for kilogram, used to measure weight. Basket, a small container for shopping. Price, how much something costs. Part 4. Finding bread and milk.
Excuse me, where can I find bread?
Bread is in the bakery section at the end of this aisle.
And milk?
Milk is in the refrigerator section. Just turn right after the bakery.
Got it, thank you very much.
Ali walks to the bakery. The smell of fresh bread fills the air. He picks 1 loaf of bread and 2 bottles of milk. Vocabulary: bakery, place where bread and cakes are made. Loaf, 1 piece of bread. Refrigerator, cold storage for food. Bottle, a container for liquids like milk. Part 5. The dairy section.
Excuse me, where's the cheese section?
It's right over there, next to the yogurt.
Thank you. There are many types of cheese. Which one is better?
It depends. This one is soft and good for sandwiches. That one is strong and good for cooking.
I'll take the soft cheese, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
Maybe some butter, too.
Butter is on the lower shelf.
Oh, I see it. Thank you so much.
Ali carefully chooses a small pack of butter and a block of cheese. He places them neatly in his shopping cart. He's happy because his basket is filling up fast. Vocabulary: cheese, a dairy product made from milk. Butter, soft food made from cream. Shelf, a flatboard for storing items. Pack, a container or package of something. Soft, easy to press or cut. Strong, one with a heavy taste or smell. Part 6. At the meat section.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'd like some chicken breast.
How much would you like?
1 kilo, please.
Anything else?
Do you have beef?
Yes, we do. It's very fresh today.
Okay, give me half a kilo of beef, too.
Sure, here you are.
Thank you very much.
Ali thanks the butcher and puts the meat in a plastic bag. He checks his list again. Only rice and some snacks left. He walks to the next aisle. Vocabulary: chicken breast, the front part of a chicken. Beef, meat from a cow. Plastic bag, bag made from plastic. Fresh, new, not old. Kilo, measure of weight. Part 7. Finding rice and snacks.
Excuse me, where is the rice?
Rice is in aisle 7, near the pasta and noodles.
Thank you. And where are the chips?
Chips are in aisle 9. You can also find biscuits and chocolates there.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Allie walks to aisle 7 and picks a 5-kilo bag of rice. Then he goes to aisle 9 and finds his favorite chips and cookies. He feels ready to pay. Vocabulary: pasta, food made from flour like spaghetti; noodles, thin strips of dough similar to pasta; chips, fried potato snacks; biscuits, sweet or salty small-baked foods; bag, something used to carry food or items. Part 8. Paying at the cashier.
Hello, did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Please place your items here.
Sure.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
That will be $45.
Here you are. Hands over the money.
Thank you. Do you have a membership card?
No, I don't.
That's okay. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Allie smiles as the cashier scans each item. The supermarket is busy, but the line moves quickly. He takes his groceries and prepares to leave. Vocabulary: receipt, paper showing what you bought; membership card, a card that gives discounts; scan, to check items with a machine; line, people waiting for their turn; groceries, food, and household things. Part 9. Packing the groceries.
Would you like help with your bags?
No, thank you. I can pack them myself.
All right.
Packing. I'll put the heavy items at the bottom and the light ones on top.
That's a smart way to pack.
Thank you. I like to keep things organized.
Allie puts all the food carefully in 2 big bags. He checks that he didn't forget anything. He's ready to go home and cook dinner. Vocabulary: pack, to put things together in a bag. Heavy, not light, difficult to carry. Light, easy to carry, not heavy. Organized, neat and in order. Part 10. Saying goodbye.
Thank you for shopping with us today.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. See you next time.
Allie leaves the supermarket with a smile. He learned how to speak English while shopping for groceries. He feels more confident now. Vocabulary: thank you, expression to show gratitude; have a nice day, a polite goodbye; see you next time, friendly way to say goodbye; great job. You finished another English lesson with Mr. English Fast. Today you learned how to shop at the supermarket, ask for products, and pay politely. Repeat this conversation often and soon you'll speak English easily in real life. Don't forget to subscribe and watch more lessons like At the Airport.